What's up, guys, and welcome back to the investing journey. And today we're going to look at my three income streams besides my normal 9 to 5 job. So, you guys probably know the quote, every millionaire has at least seven income streams, and that's probably the reason why they're so successful. I got four income streams, so I got my normal 9 to 5 job, and I got three more income streams that we're going to talk about today. So let's just hop right into the first income stream. And as you guys can see, I'm here at my app GetQuinn, where I track my dividend portfolio. And this is my first or like my second income stream after my 9 to 5 job are dividends. As of right now, my dividend portfolio holds close to 35,000 euros in it. Most of my stocks are dividend stocks. I got some ETFs as well as you guys can see, but as I said, most of my holdings are dividend based. I started dividend investing in 2021, and since 2021, I received dividends in total of 2,068 euros. My currently dividend yield is 2.53%, and my yield on cost is 2.64%. My CAGR is 106%. Not sure if it's true, but we will just leave it at that. My estimated dividend income for this year, if you switch here to 2025, is probably around 923 euros if I don't invest any euro more into my dividend portfolio. So that's pretty nice. This is my first income stream. My passive income stream are those dividends that I get every month. Right now, I don't cash out the dividends, obviously, because it's not enough to live off them, but I do reinvest them into the stocks that I have. As I said earlier, my estimated dividend income for this year is 923 euros, so close to 1,000. I'm probably going to get that next year. And as of today, I managed to get dividend income of 632 euros from January 1st until the end of September. My next income stream, besides my normal 9 to 5 job and besides my dividends that I get every month, I also have an apartment that I rent out on Airbnb. We rent out the apartment. Our goal is to generate a monthly income of around 1,000 euros per month on this Airbnb. We have to pay rent on it, so I don't own the apartment. I rent it and I rent it out on Airbnb, and the rent is about 550 euros a month. And also, we have to buy some supplies for the tenants like coffee, toilet paper, soaps, and stuff like that, which comes up to around 50 euros a month. So, if we hit our monthly goal of 1,000 euros in income, we profit around 400 euros before taxes, obviously. We started this Airbnb this year on March. That's why March is here so flat, because it was the first month of the whole Airbnb saga. And after that, it really started to blow off, and we actually hit our monthly goal every month except for April. And as you guys can see here, September isn't that good as well, but I'm going to show you guys in a minute why September on Airbnb was so low if you compare it to the months before it. So far, since March, we generated 6,311 euros in income with the apartment on Airbnb alone. We had to pay 225 euros in service fees to Airbnb, which in my opinion isn't that much if you compare it to the whole income that we had. So the total income for 2025 was 6,086 euros. Besides Airbnb, we also rent out the apartment on booking.com, just really to try and max out our monthly income we can generate with this one apartment. We started the booking.com on August this year, so just 2 months ago, and so far we generated an income of 2,033 euros. We had to pay 272 euros in commission and fees to booking.com, so the total income so far for 2025 is 1,760 euros. A couple minutes ago, I told you guys about the Airbnb in September, which didn't look that well. We go back a bit. You guys saw here, September wasn't that good at all. We only had 216 euros, but the main reason is because we had it booked out on booking.com. As you guys can see here, this booking with 979 euros is in September. So if we add those numbers together, we also reached our goal of 1,000 euros in September. Our total income in 2025 so far with Airbnb and Booking, we started Airbnb in March. We started booking in August. With the Airbnb and booking, we made a total income of about 8,345 euros. We had to pay 497 euros in commission and fees. So our total revenue before tax, obviously, so far in 2025 is 7,848 euros. If you want to know more about the Airbnb and the booking business, just let me know in the comments so I can make a separate video about it if you're interested in. My final and last income stream besides my normal 9 to 5 job is my gardening business. The gardening business, I started that with my brother in 2023. So it's a really small business. You only have maybe 6 to 8 to 10 contracts every year. And for each contract, we charge around 350 to 500 euros. And so far for 2025, we had 6 contracts with a total revenue of close to 1,800 euros. Overall, not that bad. It's just a normal side hustle that we do on the weekends sometimes if the weather is good and we have clients that need to work to get done in the garden. That's another income to boost our revenue, to boost our portfolio in the long term, and obviously to boost the time that we can actually live financially free. So our total income, or my total income and the income from my businesses in 2025 so far, I got my dividend income, which comes to 631 euros. I got the Airbnb income, which adds up to 6,086 euros. We got the booking income, which amounts to 1,760 euros. And we have the gardening business that paid us so far 1,800 euros. The total income in 2025 so far is 10,278 euros and 66 cents. I hope you guys enjoyed this sneak peek into my side hustles, my businesses outside my normal 9 to 5 job. If you're interested in it and you want to learn more about those things, just comment down below. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.